Oh, I've got a bite. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, don't get stuck on the hole. Oh no. Oh, got it off. Yeah. Come on, what are ya? Don't be a yak. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Supper. I must have been sitting watching the line for a while because I've been out drilling around 20 holes trying to find some fish. I came back and I just cleared the hole of ice. I must have jiggled the bait there and it nabbed it. There's another one for the pot. Yeah, he's not huge, but eater size. Alright. Oh, the perch just decided to join the fun. Not a bad size one, really. But he can go that. Oh, I think there's another one down on the bottom there. Yeah, there's something else swimming around there. I'm going to get my line. No, it's gone off the screen. I'm going to strike this. He's pulling. Oh, yes. It doesn't feel that big. Oh, doesn't feel too bad, actually. What is it? Is that a perch? Oh, no. It's a fair-sized walleye. Alright. That's another eater. Yeah. What's that, 15 inches or so? Nice one. There's another nice one I just got on a much bigger minnow. But I've got 3 there, so this would be my 4th limit one. So I'm going to let this one go, see if I can get an oversized one. There you go, buddy. Whoa, he didn't even wave goodbye. How rude. Oh, there's another one. But I still want that big one. So I'm going to try. There's another one, but I'm going to try for that big one. So I still want to see if there's any down there. With the big. I've got one on now. Let me just get this camera. It's taking quite a bit of line. I had it on. I had the drag set right off, and I don't know if it's still taking line. But I've got a big minnow on there. I'm hoping it's a bigger fish. Oh yeah, he's still taking line. Let him swallow it. This transducer out the way. Oh, this would be so cool if I can get this one. Tighten up this drag before I mess up. Oh yeah, he's taking line. Alright, let's try striking this, shall we? Still got it. Oh, can't feel anything. Line's off at a bit of... Oh yeah, he's still there, I think. Oh yeah. Jingling my bells. Oh, the drag's not set tight enough. Oh, he's pretty small considering the size of that minnow. Or is he? What is it? Oh, he's pulling. This feels like a jackfish. Oh no, it's a beautiful walleye. Look at that. Oh yeah, beauty. Look at that. That is beautiful. Yeah, the big minnow trick worked. Only problem is that there's a 22-inch slot size on this lake. I don't think I can keep you, buddy. Well, that's a beauty. That's at least, well, I'd say it's 22. Oh well. I'll let something come up and take a look. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to lift up the jig. See that guy follow it, hopefully. Here he comes. Doesn't look like a bad sized fish, actually. Let's lift that jig up. Here he comes. Oh, he nailed it. He's got it. He's got it. Oh shit, I've got to set this drag. I'm back with you now. He's nailed that. Oh, gotcha. There we go. That'll do. That's my fourth one. I'm going home. That's pretty cool. That's a good little couple of hours.